No, it doesn't bid. Oh, we're gonna win it. Yes.
Come on.
Unfortunately. Huh? Is it so? Huh? So we might have just won the car.
Yeah.
So we had the option to accept the seller's reserve.
The minimum.
Yeah, the minimum. So we did, and it says that we have won the car.
So we clicked on the button.
I think we just won. Here.
Congratulations.
Yes! We just won the Oh shit, they don't know yet. Oh, we're up there.
Recently, we bought this wrecked Supra all the way from the United States. A car that once turned heads, now left beaten, forgotten and sold to the highest bidder. The airbags, all blown. The frame could be bent and the damage could run deeper and deeper than just what's visible.
No diagnostics and no guarantees. Just a shell of potential and a lot of unknowns. But we didn't buy this car because it was safe. We bought it for the challenge.
Now the question is, will it actually start?
So the car's standing still for quite some time right now and obviously the battery is dead. So we have to get the M3 out of the shop and see if we get the trunk open.
Because the battery's in the trunk of this car and it has no power at all. So we got the M3 out,
Hooked up some starter cables and well, let's see if it gives any power. Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Nothing worked.
Where's the
Huh? The dashboard is...
And
Nope. I think... Yeah? Is it open?
it is open.
Yes!
Yes! Nice! Good job, bro!
Nice.
we got power. We got a lot of faults, but I mean, we got power finally.
Let's see what happens. Vehicle key missing. Let's see what happens.
Oh my god!
Hij start gewoon!
Oh my god!
Oeh, bij start, gast!
I start!
Oh, it sounds horrible.
No way! It actually started.
Now, it's time to get it in the shop.
I put it quickly into neutral, but oh my god, it starts. I didn't expect that. So I put it into neutral. Let's see if we can get it into the shop and then
See what's really wrong with the car. So, step 2 is getting it on the list. Let's go.
okay, so we got the car on the ramp, and I mean, it did go really easy, to be honest.
It was like 20 minutes.
Compared to the M3, this shit was easy peasy lemon squeezy. So
The M3, for comparison, was like 4 hours to get it from there.
this was not even
to
40
here.
minutes.
No.
Nope. Let's go and inspect the underneath. What do you think? Is it
I
good?
think
Good or
underneath
bad?
is good. Good.
Scale 1 to 10.
9 from good.
It's a 9 good?
It's a 9 good.
I think
Well,
it's a...
till there, it's good.
I think it's a 6. No, a 7.
It depends where underneath, because it's the front,
I mean
it's
the
bad. The front is really bad, I think. Like a 10, probably. To be honest, I'm a bit scared, bro.
Yeah?
I'm a bit scared.
I mean,
Look at the rim, for a reference.
literally. Same as M3, snapped in half.
For a reference, what the damage could be.
Are you ready?
No.
Light. Is it good?
Isn't bad.
Let's get.
Oei.
Okay, should we start up the back?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, best for last. Now we're doing the
I
best.
mean, hey, they took out the valves, I think.
Let's get in the middle. Okay, so from what part is it bad? Like,
This is
It's good.
transmission.
that is full of oil.
Here, it's full of oil, yeah. I really hope the engine is like complete. The front subframe definitely.
Needs to be fixed. Here, it's like
Yeah.
in half.
And here's cheddar too. So I think this is gonna be another job of a subframe.
Yeah, but now
Maybe
we're
we
pros.
should just buy cars with only damaged subframes.
So, what are your thoughts? It will be a challenge, that's for sure. But we like challenges.
Yeah, so I think it's definitely repairable. I mean, everything is repairable, let's be honest.
We will fix it for sure.
But it doesn't look as bad as I thought, to be honest. So, what do you think?
Let's see. Okay, we just started to disassemble the car with the hood, the bumper, and and now we came across one big problem. If you come in closer, take a look.
Well, it speaks for itself. There's a big dent in the chassis leg.
And here, like, it's shattered a little bit.
But if you come across to the other side, this one is
It's good.
it's straight. Well, there's a little bit of a curve like this. So if we mimic the other side, I think
It's just a little to the
I think it didn't move that much. I think it's just dented and it didn't move the chassis leg that
But
much.
it moved to the front because the wheel is also in front.
it's like the impact came from this. So maybe we can pull it out right here.
Yes.
But we're gonna find out
But first we have to start with
Well-
detach everything
the rest of the car.
before we can detach the wheel because we tried, but we couldn't. So
The wheel is stuck between the radiator and the inner arch lining.
let's start with detaching it from them.
Maybe we should try to look under the car first and like detach the under trays and stuff. Because I saw, if you look up here, there is a big pile of oil.
That can mean two things, good or bad. Well,
Is it good?
No,
Or is
it's
it
a bad.
Let's inspect.
Okay, we just checked another time and we saw multiple cracks at the subframe, like 1, two, and in the inside there's number
If you can
3.
see it there, can you see it? Yeah, you can.
Yeah, like there.
In the corner. Maybe there's even more, but this subframe definitely has to come out.
Yeah.
This is second car, second subframe.
Now we're masters at replacing subframe.
Well, let's pick up the front end.
I push you out, but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that, 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 we got kiss me and the world disappears. Tell me the things that I wanna hear. I just wanna stay right here.
So after I think 2 hours of hard work, our faces says enough, we finally could remove the wheel.
It was just like this car, it was a pain in the ass, but times 10.
Yeah.
We couldn't get the wheel off because the steering rack is
Stuck.
because the subframe is bent into it. So I couldn't move the steering wheel to the left and get the wheel out of the way because it was pressing against the against the arch. But we got it out and well,
If you can see from behind, there's like a little crack.
I mean the seam
Here?
sealer is cracked, but I don't think the
That's a real
actual
problem.
chassis is cracked. And obviously we got the big dent here.
Yeah, for the rest, the car is pretty fucked.
It is, yeah. We're uncovering more and more damage as we go, but it was kind of expected. And well, tomorrow we're gonna remove the whole front end, and then we're gonna compare the right side to the left side, because if you actually look at this, the whole right side is still intact. So we are trying to keep this the way it is, so we have a reference point for the left side.
That's the risk of this job. Buy cars, well, you don't even know what damage is, but we like risks.
No risk, no risk.
No rewards.
This car came all the way across the world, and now it's in our hands to fix it.
It's far from finished, but next week we will find out if it actually was worth buying this car.
So thank you so much for watching this first episode, and
See you all next week.
I sing the bad guy blues.
Make sure we don't die today.